Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our retirement journey together. Before we start, there is a link in the description for your free step-by-step guide to help you on your retirement journey. Are you in your 50s, worried you haven't saved enough for retirement? You're not alone. Here's the truth. It's not too late to take control of your financial future. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. Today we're talking about real practical steps you can start right now. I'll walk you through 4 no-nonsense actions to help you build a retirement you can look forward to. Grab a notepad. Let's turn that fear into action and get to work. Let's get real about your finances. It's time to roll up your sleeves and face the numbers head on. This might seem daunting, but trust me, it's the most important first step you can take towards financial freedom. We're not just talking about vague ideas here. We're diving deep into the specifics. First, you need to know exactly where you stand. And to do that, you need to list all your assets, checking accounts, every single one. Don't forget about that old account you opened years ago. Savings accounts, including any high-yield savings accounts or money market accounts you might have tucked away. Retirement accounts like your 401k, IRA, or any other pension plans you're contributing to. Make sure you have the most up-to-date statements. Home value, get a recent estimate, either through an appraisal or an online valuation tool. Cars. Check their current market value using online resources like Kelley Blue Book. Investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, everything needs to be accounted for. Then, list every liability. Mortgage, the outstanding balance on your home loan. Car loans, the amount you still owe on your vehicle. Credit cards, all of them. List the balance on each card, even if it's 0. Student loans, including both federal and private loans. Medical debt, any outstanding bills you owe to healthcare providers. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets to find your net worth. This is the snapshot of your current financial health. Don't sugarcoat it. This is your starting line. Be honest with yourself, no matter what the number is. Next, track every dollar you spend and every dollar you earn for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your cash flow. Use an app or a notebook. There are tons of great budgeting apps out there, or you can simply use a pen and paper. The method doesn't matter as much as the consistency. This isn't about shame, it's about clarity. Don't judge yourself for your spending habits, just observe them. You can't fix what you won't face. Ignoring your finances will only make things worse. Knowing your numbers gives you power and control over your future. It allows you to make informed decisions and take proactive steps towards your goals. Schedule an hour this week to do this. Put it in your calendar and treat it like any other important appointment. It's the foundation for everything else. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can start building a budget, setting financial goals, and creating a plan to achieve them. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our retirement journey together. Don't forget, there is a link in the description for your free step-by-step guide to help you on your retirement journey. Now attack your expenses with intensity. Separate needs from wants. Shelter, utilities, transportation, and food are needs. Everything else is negotiable. / restaurant spending, cancel unused subscriptions, and cut back on luxuries. Consider big moves. Downsize your home, sell an expensive car, or shop for better insurance rates. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest for your future. Get creative. Try no-spend weekends, meal planning, and price comparisons. This isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing your future security over temporary comfort. Be ruthless, your retirement is worth it. We've talked about the importance of managing your expenses, and that's definitely a crucial part of building wealth. Cutting expenses is great, it's a foundational step. You need to know where your money is going before you can effectively save and invest. Look for areas where you can trim the fat, whether it's dining out less, finding cheaper alternatives for your subscriptions, or negotiating better deals on your utilities. Every little bit counts, and those small savings can really add up over time. But let's be honest, there's only so much you can cut. At some point, you'll reach a limit. That's why increasing your income is even better. It's not just about saving more, it's about creating more opportunities for yourself. When you increase your income, you have more money to save, more money to invest, and more financial freedom overall. It opens doors to new possibilities and allows you to accelerate your progress towards your financial goals. One of the most direct ways to boost your income is to ask for a raise at work. Don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and your worth. Before you go into that meeting, prepare your case. Show your value and negotiate. Quantify your accomplishments, highlight your contributions to the company, and demonstrate how you've gone above and beyond your job description. Research industry standards for your position and experience levels so you know what you're worth. Be confident, be professional, and be prepared to negotiate. Remember, the worst they can say is no, and even then, you've planted the seed for future consideration. But don't limit yourself to just your day job. Start a side hustle. Explore opportunities to freelance, sell crafts, tap into your skills and passions to generate additional income. The gig economy offers a wealth of possibilities, from writing and graphic design to virtual assistants and social media management. If you have expertise in a particular subject, tutor, or rent out a spare room. Consider turning your hobbies into income streams. The possibilities are endless, and the extra income can make a significant difference in your savings rate. Now, what should you do with that extra income? Every extra dollar should go straight into your retirement savings. Treat it as a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or mortgage. If you have a 401k through your employer, max out your 401k match. This is essentially free money. Don't leave free money on the table. It's a guaranteed return on your investment, and it can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. Beyond the match, aim to save at least 15% of your income if you can. And if you're over 50, take advantage of catch-up contributions if you're over 50. These allow you to contribute even more to your retirement accounts, helping you to make up for lost time. Before you aggressively invest, pay off all debt except your house. Focus on eliminating high-interest debt like credit cards and personal loans. Once that debt is gone, then redirect those payments into savings. Automate the process to make it even easier. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts so you don't even have to think about it. This is a season of focus and hustle, a time to put in the extra effort to secure your financial future. Work more now to buy freedom later. The sacrifices you make today will pay off in the long run, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and live life on your own terms. Your experience is an asset. Leverage it. Don't underestimate the value of your skills and knowledge. Find ways to use them to your advantage, whether it's through consulting, mentoring, or starting your own business. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action today. Brainstorm income ideas and increase your retirement contributions. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the closer you'll be to achieving your financial goals. Now let's pull all the pieces together and solidify your future with a comprehensive written plan. This isn't just about dreaming, it's about creating a tangible roadmap to your ideal retirement. Think of it as the blueprint for the next exciting chapter of your life. A well-structured plan will serve as your guide, keeping you on track and motivated as you navigate the path to financial independence. Define your retirement vision. What does it truly look like? What are your passions, your hobbies, your aspirations for this new phase of life? When, specifically, do you envision yourself retiring? What's your target date? Where and how you want to live? Is it a cozy cottage by the sea, a vibrant city apartment, or perhaps traveling the world? Consider the lifestyle you desire and the resources you'll need to support it. Calculate your retirement number, the magic figure that will allow you to live comfortably without working. Estimate your anticipated annual expenses in retirement, factoring in everything from housing and healthcare to travel and entertainment, and then multiply that number by 25. This calculation is based on the 4% rule, a guideline suggesting you can withdraw 4% of your savings each year without depleting your funds. Write down your goals both short-term and long-term. What do you want to achieve in the next year, 5 years, and beyond? Savings targets outlining how much you need to save each month or year to reach your retirement number. Be realistic and adjust your targets as needed, and action steps. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps that you can take each day, week, or month. This will make the process feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Meet with a qualified financial advisor, someone who specializes in retirement planning and can provide personalized guidance. Not just a friend offering casual advice, but a seasoned pro who can guide you through the complexities of retirement planning. Look for certifications like CFP, Certified Financial Planner, to ensure they have the necessary expertise. An advisor helps you refine your plan, ensuring it aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Diversify investments, spreading your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. And stay accountable. They'll provide ongoing support and encouragement, helping you stick to your plan even when faced with challenges. Review your progress monthly and adjust as life changes. Unexpected expenses, market fluctuations, or changes in your personal circumstances may require you to reevaluate your strategy. Seeing your net worth grow is motivating. Track it. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or financial planning software to monitor your progress and celebrate your milestones. Don't be intimidated. Retirement planning can seem daunting, but it's a process that anyone can learn. This is about building confidence and clarity. The more you understand your finances and your goals, the more empowered you'll feel to take control of your future. Start drafting your plan today. Even a simple outline is a great first step. And find a pro to help you win. With a solid plan and the right guidance, you can achieve your retirement dreams and live the life you've always imagined. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our retirement journey together. Don't forget there is a link in the description for your free step-by-step guide to help you on your retirement journey. 4 steps. Face your numbers, cut expenses, boost income, and build a plan. It's not too late. The actions you take now will transform your future. Don't just watch. Start with step 1 today. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more practical financial wisdom. You've got this. Thanks for watching.